In this video, I will show you 5 powerful Google Sheet formulas that help you handle conditions and errors easily. Here the first formula, if, checks a condition and return different results. Type this formula. This marks a student as pass if the score is 50 or more, otherwise fail. Now the second formula, if error, removes error messages and replaces them with something else. Type this formula. If there's a divide by 0, it will simply show error instead of the ugly message. Here's the third formula, ifs, allows you to check multiple conditions without nesting many ifs. Type this formula. This gives a grade based on the score. Now the fourth formula, switch, compares a value against multiple options. Type this formula. This assigns text depending on the grade. And finally, the fifth formula is blank. Checks if a cell is empty. Type this formula. It returns true if the cell is empty and false if it has data. These 5 formulas give you more control over conditions and errors in Google Sheet. Try them out and don't forget to subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.